In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning email visuals using Canva and Mailchimp. This process will not only add a professional touch to your emails, but also captivate your audience with beautiful design elements. So, let's dive right in and get started. First off, we're going to focus on designing your email content in Canva. Canva is a fantastic online design tool that's both user-friendly and incredibly versatile, making it ideal for creating engaging visuals even if you're not a design expert. Start by logging into your Canva account if you haven't already and search for email templates. Canva offers a variety of templates specifically tailored for email marketing purposes. Take some time to explore these options. Choose a design that aligns with your brand style or the theme of your campaign. Once you've picked a template, you can get creative by customizing it with your own images, text, and colors. Remember that maintaining your brand's voice and style is key to creating consistency across your marketing materials. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download your work. Click the download button in the top right corner of Canva's design interface. You'll want to choose to download your design as an image file, either in JPEG or PNG format. These formats are perfect for maintaining high quality without ballooning your email's file size, which is crucial for ensuring the email loads quickly for your recipients. Now that you have your beautifully crafted designs ready, the next step is to upload these images into your Mailchimp email campaign. Log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to the campaign you're working on, or create a new one. In the campaign editor, you'll find an option to add images. Simply upload the images you downloaded from Canva. Make sure you've organized your content so it flows logically and is easy for your audience to follow. Once your images are uploaded into Mailchimp, it's time to add the finishing touches using the Mailchimp editor. You can add text blocks for your content and create buttons to encourage your recipients to take action, such as visiting your website or making a purchase. The great thing about Mailchimp's editor is how intuitive it is. You can easily drag and drop different elements into place and adjust the layout until it suits your needs perfectly. Finally, don't forget to preview your email to ensure everything looks exactly how you envisioned. By incorporating your Canva designs, you've successfully enriched your emails visually, making them more engaging and positively impacting your audience's experience. With these steps, you've combined the best of both Canva's design power and Mailchimp's email tools to produce standout email marketing campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!